Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. I gotta be honest with you, I'm gonna try and get through this a little quicker than usual because I don't know, lately the sun is just really killing me when I film. And I'm almost, well no, I probably have another month before I'm in my office if I'm being really honest. Because I'm concentrating on my husband's office first, which will be the second half of this video. Part of it, I'm redoing it for him as a surprise and I want you guys to help me out. But first we're going to do a hair product review. And here's little Velma sleeping. She got her hair cut. Okay, so this I picked up at TJ Maxx. You know how TJ Maxx has makeup, skincare, all that stuff at cheaper prices. So I saw this for $6.99. This is from OLIOLOGY. OLIOLOGY Coconut Oil Nutrient Rich Curl Cream. Defines and enhances curls, conditions, and reduces frizz. Paraben free, deeply hydrates, repairs damage, and restores vibrancy. This botanically infused, humidity resistant curl cream conditions and provides natural hold. Defined curls in enhanced waves will be frizz free with a soft, touchable feel. Let's see how that works. You can get this normally for like $12, so it's not that expensive to be honest, unless you go to TJ Maxx and get it for cheaper. Guys, this is like ridiculous. I used to film in here no problem with the sun, but I don't know if we have more clouds than usual lately. I don't understand what the problem is, but it looks like I'm gonna have to go back to my lights and not use sunlight because just to show you how unpredictable the sun is. Like if you want to be a YouTuber and you don't want to spend money on lights, that's all fine because you don't need to. So you could just use natural light. It's actually the best. However, you can't rely on the consistency of the light. That's the problem. And I used to film at my big lights, which I'm going to have to go back to when I get in the office. Again, this is temporary with the kids moving out. I made that face because I can't even tell you the problems that have happened with their apartments. All three of them. I mean, the girls are together, but all three of them. But it's all good because we're fixing it and we're making it better. And karma sucks. Just saying. If you're a bad person, karma sucks. Don't be a bad person. Do the right thing. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm going to say about that. But be careful when you rent apartments who you're dealing with. But that being said, it's been very stressful. A couple weeks, I thought the kids being out would be like, oh, this is great. And it is. Don't get me wrong. But at the same time, I mean, the first 2 days I cried like a baby. But your kids are always going to stress you, whether they live with you or not. Once you have kids, I'm just telling you, it is what it is. But it's so worth it because the love and happiness exceeds all that. Okay, this, I can tell I like the way it's forming my curls. I really do. Like I can tell it's going to be a nice hold for my curls. I look pale, huh? I'm wearing my teddy bear. It's so cold out today. Got my new bio-ionic blow dryer. If you want to learn more about this, check out my last video. Here we go. And this wonderful diffuser that I absolutely love. Let's get diffusing. Okay guys, check out my hair. It's styled in under 10 minutes because of my new blow dryer. But you know, in all fairness, I did get a haircut. So usually when I cut my hair, it does, I mean, I had a lot taken off. So that makes sense too. But, wow. Look how nice. Oh, here comes the sun. Again, I got a haircut, so that would make sense, but I think my hair feels really nice. It doesn't feel dry. It doesn't feel dry. It doesn't feel crunchy, and it looks amazing. I absolutely love the cut that she gave me. I do. It's like a style now, you know. My hair grows so fast it'll be gone anyway before you know it. Let me back up so you can see more. There we go. Lovely. I think it came out really nice. So, right? Okay, so what we're going to do, because I don't have that much time left before Joe gets home, I want to show you his office quickly. If you're not into this part, obviously you could see the hair came out lovely. Loving this product. OLIOLOGY But we're going to do the usual check-in later, see if it lasts, because sometimes these products don't last, and they're wonderful. But we're going to try it, and I think I'm going to have a little problem. I have to put my hair back in like a clip, not so much ponytail, because I don't want to ruin my hair, but there's no way I could do what I got to do with this thing on and with my hair down. It's just not, no. You'll see. So, okay, here we go, and I'm going to go, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so I changed into a t-shirt because it's going to be a lot of work. And I'm going to put my hair back in this thing so that I don't ruin my curls. Curls looking good. So, guys, we're in my old office. Do you remember this room? I used to sit over here and film. Okay, I hope this doesn't mess my curls up too much. It's in like the clip, so it shouldn't. Okay, so let me just show you. This is the room empty. Okay, I had this thing in here. I got to get rid of this. But this is the room. It's not a big room. It's like literally the smallest room in the house, for sure. But I'm going to put a desk here, and look what I got. I got an electric fireplace that I'm going to put here. I got to get rid of this thing though. I got to work on that later, but I'm going to put it up and I'm going to put it here, and he's not allowed to look in the room. So the door has to start. I got to start keeping the door closed because I want to surprise him. We already got a rug. The desk is on order. Curtains are on order. And yeah. So let me, I covered, look, you're so loud. I heard you like all the way downstairs. All right, this is the box. The guy said it's like 100 and something pounds. It's so freaking heavy. But I covered it with magazine because I don't want him to read what it says. So I covered it. And I'm going to try my best to get all this stuff upstairs now so I can start putting it together and before he comes home, which is going to be soon. So I got to go. What do you want now? Okay, checking in. Hair is still good. I'm telling you, I was sweating. I had to put it all up, but I did use the clips so that I didn't put it up in like a ponytail holder and ruin my curls. But wow, my hair still looks really good. This is a really nice product. Okay, this is it, guys. I put it together. I'm gonna clean it actually. I should have showed you after I clean it, but here goes. Look, it's an electric fireplace. Isn't it so sweet? It's so fake, and he's into the real fires, but you know what? This is gonna look nice. We're gonna put the rug here, darker curtains, gonna man it up a lot in here. So, yay. I think it's cute. And right now it looks stupid because there's nothing else in here, but once it's all done, I think it's gonna look really nice. But it's just like things are coming slowly, slowly. And I have so many other things to do, so I have to like take my time away from this to do this stuff. But I want to do because I want to get him in here. He needs his office. There's so much to do. Okay, I got to take these things down too. I have an idea for that, which I have to go on Amazon. I just realized. But yeah, look at this. My hair. I actually think I'm going to go lighter again with the color. I talk about my color in every video, but not yet. Okay, guys. I'll see you in a bit. This is bad, Wilma. We need to go on a diet. You look like a turkey about to go in the oven. A big one. Oh, she's a naughty girl, that Wilma. I'm not going to show you that. Yeah, I needed a little Wilma time because it's just one of those days. I'm having so many issues with my daughter's apartment. Talk about slumlords. Wow. How do people sleep at night? That's all I want to know. But anyway, enough about that. So I've just been really stressed over that. But I gotta tell you something. Look at the hair. And I was sweating putting that thing together. My hair went up and everything. And look at it. This is really nice. This might go into my weekend box. Who knows? Like, look at my curls. They look great. Bless you. Oh. Okay, someone has an itchy back. I just bought you, Wilma. Wilma, I bought you that brush. Remember? Because I know you liked when we used another brush on you the other day and you were like liking it and you never liked it before, okay? Want me to use it later? You know, because she got a really short haircut, like I said on my last video. Because, I couldn't get her in until after Christmas for the next one, and I know she'll be like a shaggy mess then. So I said, just go really short. So now I gotta see her, like, I could see her skin. It's like weird. And I feel bad because she's probably itchy. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. That's what she does all day. Soon we're gonna be going for our walks. I know. My family would laugh if they heard me say that, but I just need to get certain things done first. And then we're gonna do our daily walks, right, Wilma? I actually prefer to walk when it's colder out because then I can bundle up. Summertime it's too hot. Okay, I'll do a final check-in, but so far it looks great. If I don't say so myself, I like it, and this is a great product. I have my computer screen on, that's why I look like this color. Okay guys, we're gonna run out to Chipotle to get some food. I ended up telling Joe it was in the room because I was just too excited. And I said, you know what, forget the surprise. I shared the board with him, which is, alright, color is gonna look terrible, but these are brown curtains. That's the fireplace. We already have this. I'm going to get rid of it from the living room. And that's the desk we ordered. So the rug is different because the rug doesn't have the black in it. We already got the rug. And yeah. And then obviously I'm going to decorate. And I have like a shelving thing I'm going to put in there. So I'll come in here. The lighting is better. Yeah, so I told him and I showed him. He likes the plan. So I'm so excited to put it all together. And yeah, I use Milanote again, by the way, to make that board. It's so easy, just dragging photos put together. And this way you could see how it all looks good together. Like when I did this bathroom, I used that and it came out exactly the way I envisioned it. So boards are good. What else? And then we get to work in my office next. I don't even want to think about mine yet. I don't want to spend a lot of money. I'm kind of just using stuff that I have already. So it's a matter of just putting it together and making it cozy and pretty. And that's it. Okay, guys, I'm going to go because I'm hungry. And, okay, I keep saying one more final check-in, but one more, I don't even know if I have to. I'm going to close the video. Let's be honest, my hair's looking good. Although I'm going out. All right, one more final check-in. We'll see if it's so cold out, though. I'll come say goodnight. See you in a bit. You like your office?
I love it.
We got to change the pictures back there. We got a board to put back there so
yeah,
you can
still work in progress.
schedule.
Yeah.
Work in progress. Look at you. Look at you. You look like really like a bit, except for that brown garbage bag there.
I didn't leave that there. It's you. I don't do things like that.
Okay, let's just show them what we
Look at
got
my
here.
fireplace
We got,
there.
because it is an office, got to have the printer. Got warmed up the curtains a little. Didn't paint. Gonna get a big long plant for that corner. And look at the fireplace. I showed them already. And we put the TV there. And again, we need to do all decorating.
Again.
This is gonna get some books and stuff and decor. That
Excuse me, I
is
need a waste
mine.
paper basket here.
I don't know if he's gonna keep those paintings. I'm gonna see what I can find. And then this is a chair that we had. And look at this corner right here. I'm gonna get a lamp, a tall lamp, so we could sit there and turn that lamp on when you come in.
Is it?
Okay, done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good night.
Look at my hair. Joe, did you notice my hair?
I noticed everything, honey.
This,
So good.
the product I use, I don't know, I think it's a combination of the cut, the product, the blow dryer perhaps. I don't know, but I just picked this up for like $6 at TJ Maxx. And it's only like a $12 product. But yeah, so I'm gonna close this out because I'm gonna go to bed. It's late, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Good night, honey. Say good night. That sounds like a monster.